Hi Sekolah Ciputra family, good morning. Back again with me, Miss Julia from Early Years. I'm so happy to greet you this morning. I hope all of you are safe, healthy, and happy. Let me open and greet you with some part of this book, my favorite book from Early Years, and I'm sure our Early Years students has familiar with this book. I Like Me by Nancy Carlson. I cheer myself up when I fall down. I pick myself up when I make mistakes. I try and try and try again. No matter where I go or what I do, I'll always be me. Wow! Wonderful book, right? Those sum up how proud I am to be teacher here. I saw how our students brave and proud of their national identity. Through our Bulan Bahasa event, I can see how students celebrate our bahasa, our Bahasa Indonesia language, and how they're proud to wear national costumes, and how they make mistake when they try to sing or they try to read the rhymes, but they keep trying. Behind me is the stage when they perform and show their best as our Indonesia citizen. And not only that, I'm proud of our grade 5 and 6 students who already passed ANPK test last week. I believe they tried their best and they didn't afraid to make mistakes and learn from their mistakes. Wish you all the best luck. So I'm so excited to announce some of our upcoming events where students can learn from their mistakes, of course, and try again and proud to be themselves. So there is university visit in high school and also Surabaya Sport League, where senior and girls football teams, our football teams will have match with SIS school. So hopefully everyone do their best and strive for the best, not only be the winner, but they can enjoy the match. And it will happen in oval field. So if you want to cheer them, please come and give some shout for our team. And last but not least, our EY assembly. Wow! So I'm excited to see all of you guys in week 4. So hopefully you have a great week ahead. See you!